make a recipe that I've got off of Facebook. It's called Apple Breakfast Casserole. It's made with cinnamon rolls. Okay, this recipe calls for 2 cans of cinnamon rolls. It's a larger dish. Since it's just me, I'm going to make it with 1 can, and I'm going to decrease the ingredients in half. I've got the oven preheating at 375 degrees. Okay, now I've got to chop the cinnamon rolls into 6 to 8 pieces. I've got the cinnamon rolls. They're small. They were the Publix ready to bake cinnamon rolls with vanilla icing. So I went on and since they're small, I just cut them in 4s. And then I chopped the apples, which I used. This is what I could find. Now, I'll get started with this. Oven's heated to 375. I've already chopped the apples. And you just chop them in little pieces, because they're whole in here. And just chop them in little bite-sized pieces. And it says place cinnamon rolls, apples, melted butter, sugar, and cinnamon in a bowl, and then mix. A teaspoon of cinnamon, ground sugar, the melted butter, which is, what did I say, 1/3 cup? And I'm gonna just mix that all in right now. Now I'm gonna put the cinnamon rolls in there. Just drop them in, because you're gonna mix it up. You mix all of that until everything is combined. Spray a large casserole dish with cooking spray. I'm just going to use a small one since this is the smaller version of it. Pour the cinnamon rolls and apples mixture into a dish. Let's pour all of this in here. Put it in the middle rack of the oven and bake for 40 to 50 minutes or until cooked thorough. So it's done. It cooked 45 minutes. I'm going to drizzle the vanilla icing that came with the cinnamon rolls. Drizzle it all over. This smells so good.